Our neighborhood in space. One ordinary star, the Sun, and 8 worlds circling it, in a delicate gravitational ballet. Mercury, Venus, Earth, Mars, small rocky bodies hugging the inner orbits. Jupiter, Saturn, Uranus, Neptune, immense giants roaming the outer dark. The Sun sits at the center, holding 99.86% of the entire system's mass. Everything else, every planet, every moon, every comet, is just the remaining 0.14%. If you melted every planet into a single ball, you would barely notice it next to the Sun. This is our cosmic home. 1 star, 8 planets, 1 solar system. Let us begin with the worlds closest to the fire. The rocky inner worlds. Mercury is the closest to the Sun, a cratered, airless ball that races around its orbit in just 88 days. Venus comes next, wrapped in a choking blanket of carbon dioxide. Surface temperature, 465 degrees Celsius, hotter than Mercury, despite being farther away. Then Earth, the blue marble. Liquid water oceans, a nitrogen-oxygen atmosphere. The only planet we know that harbors life. And finally Mars, the red planet. Thin atmosphere, rusty iron surface, ancient river beds, hinting at water that flowed billions of years ago. All 4 share a common trait. Solid rocky surfaces, small diameters under 13,000 kilometers, and orbits squeezed close to the Sun. They are terrestrial planets, small, dense, and mostly rock. Beyond Mars lies the asteroid belt, a sparse ring of rocky fragments left over from the solar system's formation. Cross that belt, and you enter the realm of giants. Jupiter, the king, 318 times Earth's mass. A swirling hydrogen-helium atmosphere with storms larger than our entire planet. Its gravity acts as a cosmic shield, deflecting asteroids that might otherwise strike the inner worlds. Saturn, the ringed wonder. Thousands of ice and rock fragments orbit in those magnificent rings, each one a tiny moon in its own right. Farther out, Uranus rotates on its side, tilted nearly 90 degrees. And Neptune, the farthest giant, swept by supersonic winds reaching 2,000 kilometers per hour. Jupiter and Saturn are gas giants, mostly hydrogen and helium. Uranus and Neptune are ice giants, dense cores of water, ammonia, and methane ices. Together, these 4 giants sculpt the architecture of the outer system. Same gravity, very different timescales. Mercury whips around the Sun in just 88 Earth days. Venus takes 225 days. Earth, our benchmark, 1 year, 365 days. Mars needs 687 days. Now the jumps become enormous. Jupiter takes 12 Earth years to complete a single orbit. Saturn, 29 years. Uranus, 84 years. And Neptune, 165 Earth years. A person born when Neptune last reached its current position would have lived through 2 world wars, the moon landing, and the rise of the internet, all within a single Neptunian year. The distances are staggering too. Earth orbits about 150 million kilometers from the Sun. Neptune orbits 4.5 billion kilometers away, 30 times farther. Watch the inner planets race around the Sun, while Neptune barely crawls. Same gravity, very different timescales. Our home in a vast system. Pull back from the giants, pull back from the belt. And there it is, the 3rd rock from the Sun, Earth. A pale blue sphere surrounded by 1 thin ring of orbit. Orbiting Earth, the Moon. Our closest companion, just 384,000 kilometers away. Together, the Sun, the Earth, and the Moon form a miniature system that governs our tides, our seasons, our eclipses. Now zoom out. See all 8 planets in their lanes, the Sun at the center. The vast, empty darkness between each orbit. All of human history. Every war, every love story, every sunrise, happened on that tiny blue sphere. Carl Sagan called it a pale blue dot. A mote of dust suspended in a sunbeam. 1 small world. 1 huge cosmic stage. And every time you look up at the night sky, you are looking into the neighborhood we just explored.